Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Thank you for inquiring on our Skoda OCTAVIA 1.5 TSI SEL DSG DG20WAU. This vehicle is in brilliant silver metallic. Inside the rear of the vehicle now. As you can see, an extremely large boot space. This vehicle also has a full-size spare wheel with toolkit. Just inside the interior, as you can see, extremely large foot space for rear seat passengers. Got the part leather, part suede interior. Just inside the vehicle, this vehicle has automatic headlights. The vehicle has done 1,302 miles. Got the dual zone climate controls, as well as the DSG gearbox. This vehicle is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also has built-in satellite navigation. So if you'd like any more information, please contact Marshall Skoda in Croydon on 0208 686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.